When you're craving for a burger, make this burger in a bowl without the carbs, so it's much healthier. We're going to start by heating up our frying pan and adding in our beef mince. I'm using lean beef, then adding in my garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and black pepper, and we're going to mix all those ingredients together beautifully and then cook until the beef is brown. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes in total. Next, I'm going to take my small bowl out and add in 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and salt and black pepper. Mix all those ingredients together. Then I remembered I forgot maple syrup, so I'm adding half a teaspoon of maple syrup, and that's it. We have our sauce ready. Once the beef is cooked, we're going to assemble our bowl, add in our lettuce, then cover it with ground beef and avocado, red onion, pickles, and cherry tomatoes. Use other veggies if you want, and we're going to cover this with our beautiful sauce. This burger bowl is so delicious, it's healthy, and it's definitely the thing you need when you're craving for those burgers.